You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
All right, so what I'm doing is marking back 3/4 of an inch. That's the width of the track. Here, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out both sides, and then I'm gonna fold those tabs up. I'm gonna go ahead and cut those tabs off. And then once you do that, all you have to do is just simply fold it over and then take off your line if you used a marker. Maybe trim it up just a little bit to make sure it's nice and flush. And really, that's pretty much it. To do an end cap. It's very simple process.